Dwayne here, Phoenix Typewriter. Got a Underwood here that's doing something a little funky. I don't think I've seen in a while, I guess. Maybe I've seen this. But you hit the, when you type, it pushes the spacebar down. So if I type this letter, the spacebar drops every time I type. So I'm like, what is happening? So I took it apart. I'm investigating everything. And then I think I just realized that the type bars are up, that spacebar drops. It's not really engaging the spacebar, it's just the spring is off right here. There's no spring holding this thing up. So, got it looking again. It looks like this spring assembly right here is adjustable. So that's what I'm going to adjust right here, right now, on camera. This looks like this. Loosen up here. Okay. And maybe be able to turn this on the shaft. Oops. So I'm going to turn it about as far as I can right there. Tighten that up and see if that does it. Okay, so we bring a type bar up. That's it. Just enough to keep it up when you type. Okay, that was it. So, after a little bit of investigation, I concluded that spring right there must have lost some tension over the years. And it's got an adjustable deal on it. That's for the spacebar right there. Alright. Good deal. Phoenix Typewriter. Good day.